91 we are going to see an interesting yet simple word of Tamil that is not easy to translate, especially to English. The word is ethanayaavadhu, meaning what is the order of the number among. It may seem very long, but it's a very important word in Tamil. It's important in all the languages. I don't know how to say that in English. If you can help me, the word is simply ethanayaavadhu. Ethanayaavadhu. Wherever possible, I've also added a picture that is an image for you to understand. So let us go to the word now to explain that. Let us imagine that John has 10 sons and the sixth son is a surgeon. If you're keen to know which one in order among the 10 sons is a surgeon, we could simply ask that in Tamil as எத்தனையாவது பையன் surgeon. And the reply could be sixth son or second son or whatever. English does not have a short question for this. If you ask someone which son of yours is a surgeon, the answer could be the one who you met the other day or the one who lives in New York. So there are many possible answers. It's not a clear second son, third son, which is what we want to know. Such a question is difficult to pose in English when the subject in question is not present before you. So probably you may have to frame the question like this. Who among your sons in order of number is a surgeon? However, in Tamil you could simply ask எத்தனையாவது பையன் surgeon? எத்தனையாவது பையன் surgeon? Let us see more phrases to know how it works in your languages. So for now, for the sake of simplicity, let us call this unique question word as what xth. So x is what we want to know, that is the number. So எத்தனையாவது, what xth. So this is just a word we have coined for only the purpose of understanding. For this video, எத்தனையாவது பையன் இவன். So what xth son is he? And the answer could be மொத பையன், that is first son. எத்தனையாவது பையன் இவன்? மொத பையன், first son. The word which does not help to phrase this question. You ask, which son is this? There could be many answers. One of them could be, oh, he's the one who manages my business, or he's the cricketer. So I think these two answers are not what we want. We are simply asking, what is his number? What is his number? Let us look at this question. Donald Trump, அமெரிக்காவோட எத்தனையாவது president? Donald Trump, America's what xth president? The answer is 45th president. But the question now is how to make a question, how to phrase a question to ask this. Probably one way to elicit the right answer is to ask a wrong question in English. Is Donald Trump the 60th president of America? If you're going to ask a question like that, and then the answer could be no, he's the 45th president. So this is one way of asking a question, but if there's a better way, please let me know. So the word எத்தனையாவது is very often used as it is quite an essential word in a conversation, especially when somebody could be you're in your 8th job, could be the 4th daughter, the 2nd son, or even funnily, you're in your 4th marriage. So it just could be anything. You cannot ask, what is your job number? Or what is your daughter number? What is your son number? What is the number of your marriage? That is not possible. Instead, we have a simple question that is, எத்தனையாவது? So that is it for now. So please be sure to write in the comment section the exact word if you have any for this in your languages. And I'm sure many languages except a few do not have an appropriate word. But if there are, please let me know.